Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to this second video in my English language series. In the last video, we learned the first 13 letters of the English alphabet. In this video, we will finish by learning the second 13 letters of the English alphabet. I will say each letter twice and then leave a pause for you to practice. Let's go. N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Well done. Those are the second 13 letters of the English alphabet. In the next video, we'll see about how we write them. I look forward to seeing you then. In the meantime, don't forget to practice. See you soon. Bye-bye.